Welcome to TrakIntel. Today, in this walkthrough video, we will take a look at some key features of the TrakIntel platform. Once you log in using your ID and password, you will gain access to this screen. There are two distinct sections, the primary section in the center and the left panel with multiple options. We will take a look at all the features starting with the primary panel in the center. You are seeing three options here: intelligence, startups, and AI agents. Intelligence and startups are manual AI-assisted research, and AI agents are native AI agentic process. Let's start with the manual process. Once you have selected intelligence, you can run a simple natural language query for any use case, theme, or sector you want to gather intelligence on. Once you have entered your query, simply click on the Run Analysis button. A new screen will now show you key intelligence aspects, namely articles, patents, research journal, blogs, and social pulse. You can individually deep dive on each article to gain a deeper understanding of the topic. The data you see here has been collected from millions of sources, verified, deduplicated, and denoised to ensure relevance, accuracy, and helpfulness. One interesting aspect of TrakIntel is that we store the data that we show you instead of operating as a simple wrapper or an application by using the backend of an existing LLM tool such as a ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini. The platform is 100% run on an open-source LLM that we have fine-tuned and trained on our dataset for better efficiency. Now let's get back to the walkthrough. So apart from understanding various facets of the theme that you have queried for, we can also click on the Startups tab on top to see various startups and solutions that are aligned with your use case. You can choose to see this in different ways, tabular or list, as well as filter them based on funding stage, location, or founded year. If you click on any startup, the screen will show details pertaining to that company, such as a summary, news, similar startups, and financials if available. We also have an option called Contact Company, which gives you the choice to directly reach out to the founder from the platform. Now let's get back to the previous page and check some other interesting features. On the left panel, you can also see reports. This gives you the choice to create sector and technology landscape reports for any theme of your choosing. You can choose the sections that you need in the report from this list and click on Generate Report. This process takes some time as the AI model needs to run through 14 million plus sources to publish an enterprise-scale report. Taking a look at some of the other features of the platform, let's look at news. Once you click here, it will take you here to this screen that highlights all the recent news and activities across different categories. You can choose the right categories that are a fit for you and curate the news feed. Another interesting feature present here is the company comparison option, which gives you a bird's eye view of similar companies that you need to compare. All you need to do is click on Add Startups and search for the startups that you want to compare. Let's look for TrakIntel. You can choose up to 10 companies for a side-by-side comparison across 4 key parameters: market readiness, investor readiness, organization readiness, and technology readiness. Okay, let's add Amazon and Flipkart for running this comparison. Adding Amazon now, there are a lot of Amazon, but let's just pick this one here for our quick comparison in this walkthrough. Now let's add Flipkart. Awesome. Now I add them both side by side and just click on Compare. Voila. It takes some time to generate the comparison, so we will skip it in this walkthrough. Thank you for watching this walkthrough video. In the next video, we will take you through the 6 key vertically trained agentic models that we have developed.